Good morning. It is Friday morning. We're here in Las Vegas for JAMZ School Nationals. We both brought our teams. Thank goodness we're not against each other this time.
Go Titans.
But we perform really close together, so that'll be nice to be able to watch each other. We went out last night with some of the coaches from another school near us, and insert those clips here. So we went to this country bar because one of the coaches wanted to ride a bull, and then this lovely gentleman here.
Sore.
I chickened out though. That's where we're going. I won't zoom in more, but. So hard. Hit 0. Yep. I'm excited. We're excited. You're so good. They light up. Yes. Well, like we're about to be in more rooms, and we're gonna do so good. Okay, day 1 is done. I just got our score sheets back. We scored really high, but everybody scored really high. We had 1 penalty from a tumbling touchdown. That has never happened and hopefully won't happen again tomorrow. So there's 4 teams in the division. We are last, but only by like a 1.5 points. It's so close. So we changed one of our dismounts in our pyramid, and I really like it. I'm not going to change it again. But when we changed it, because it was illegal, like we had to change it, but that cut down our dismount difficulty on the score sheet. So now we need a harder dismount somewhere else in the routine. So we just have to add that in. It should be a pretty simple fix if we're going to do what I think we're going to do. So that will bring our score up. Our other thing that we were really just lacking was energy. It just was not, I don't know if I'm just like watching the video back wrong, but they just felt low energy, motions weren't sharp, just like little things like that they know better and they know how to do. So if we just make that one change and pick things up tomorrow, I think they will do a lot better. Today is weighted 35% of their total score, and tomorrow is weighted 65% of their total score. So, I mean, it's so funny because they were asking me when we were waiting, like, what if you're in last place? Can you come back and be in first place? And I was like, well, it's not really likely, but it's possible. because these scores are so close, it's definitely possible. It's really, really possible. We're just gonna have to see what happens tomorrow. We're gonna make those changes and come back stronger. I think Ronald just got his scores. There's like a room way down underneath the arena that we have to go wait in to get them. Each have dinners with our respective teams tonight. Yeah, I'm just waiting in the car, charging my phone. But yeah, so we're gonna go do a team dinner and we're gonna go to the selfie museum, and then they all have to go straight to bed. He's on his way. We'll see how he did.
92.80, so that's like literally a point. And the third place is 94.30. So.
Very, very talented. Good job. Oh, we're blurry.
Oh, there she is. Hey. Oh,
But it's like a good
That's where we were. Good morning. It's day 2.
dying slowly.
We're gonna be okay. It's been a crazy morning. So we got here early this morning. We met earlier than we originally planned, and we used the practice mats outside to spend some time on the routine. We just needed to add a little bit of difficulty in a couple spots. We were just gonna do one change, but we ended up doing 2. So it was a little risky, but they went on the mat and they nailed every single thing, all of it. 0 deductions. Wait, where's my pin? They gave us these, like, hello. So we hit 0 deductions. That's the best they can do. I'm hoping it will be enough, but we'll see. It's just gonna depend on how well the other teams did and if they did the same thing as us and pulled their scores up, then, you know, it is what it is. All right, we're in the coach's lounge. It's happy hour. Cheers.